especially in the realms of being asked a question in front of a group, limit what your answer is by outlining what it's going to be, which means there's two things I think about this, or actually the main thing I think about it is this, or there's three things that I've found that I've learned from this experience or whatnot. So even though there might be 5 or 6, it doesn't matter because you're literally there to just give people something that they can go on. And when you limit your answer, you're limiting it for yourself, but you're also telling your audience how long it's going to take and what they're about to hear, which keeps their attention better as well.
By doing that, it automatically sets you up to speak with structure because you already said, I'm going to tell you 2 things. First thing is this, the second thing is this. And it's been proven that people who speak with structure are 40% more understandable. So that's also working for you. It helps you slow down before you start verbal diarrhea, which is often the case when you're put on the spot like that. Honestly, it just makes you look smarter because people who speak with structure are perceived to be more competent and more confident as well.